Hey there, y'all! Welcome back to a new episode of Saffron Sci-Fi's channel. Today we got this Monolophosaurus here. It says a strike attack from Chaos Theory. Push it on its hips, goes down. There you go, closer look. It's got feathers, and because why? Because we have the brand new YAZ and Monolophosaurus, y'all. It is a rescue pack. There you go, sealed. Let's check the back. So this one's on its way. Probably tomorrow we'll get it. So it says it comes with Gordon, the Compy, the Compsognathus right there, and YAZ. Does it come in a backpack? Oh, look at that, guys. The backpack opens up. So let's check it out right there. Okay. First things first is we take out the dinosaur itself. All right. There you have it. This is the classic Monolophosaurus right here. There's the DNA scan for you all. The scan. Yep, we have plenty of Monolophosaurus now. We're gonna compare to the Chaos Theory. So this one looks like a different kind of mono right here. We don't know why they changed the face. This is the classic one. It has many variants. They should have called this a different dinosaur again. But anyways, they're both from Chaos Theory. This is pretty much the newest one. What year was this? Yep, this is definitely a classic one, 2021 again right there. The older ones. And this is obviously a new one, I bet. 2023. Okay, so this is the classic one. It's just a repaint now. There you have it. Has that crested on its nose. Alright, now we can check on YAZ. Alright, y'all. Too excited for this. Next video will be a custom hybrid. Okay, guys, I got two ready already. They're ready to go. All done. And I'm currently making one right now. Alright, here's YAZ. Yasmina, is that what her name is? I haven't watched episodes yet. I just saw two from Camp Cretaceous. There she is. Let's check out the backpack and the little dino right there. Now, why does it have something? Does it so won't bite? Alright, let's put it on its backpack. How do we open this? Pull it down? Do we pull it down? Oh, nice. I see. We put it in. Put in this little dino in there. Alright, that's how it... Does it go that way? Yeah. So, there you have it. Looks like an injured one, too. Has a cast on its leg. So she holds it that way. Okay, let's just put it in her backpack then. There you have it, guys. And let's put it on her. Yeah, there you have it. Okay. There you go. So hopefully this dinosaur doesn't jump out. Yep. There you have it, guys. Yeah. Alright, and here's our new one. So that's pretty much it for today. Alright, you guys, now I'd like to say thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye for now.